Well, welcome once again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel demonstrating some of the vintage and antique china we're listing on the website. These are very much vintage, made by Churchill. They are from their blue and white selection of ranges made in the late 20th century, and these are the Westminster Abbey 6.5-inch side plates. Just look how bright they are. If I get a glazed reflection on them, hardly a knife mark, if any, on the plate surface. So really nice condition vintage plates. So say date from 1970s, 80s and 90s. There's the impressed Churchill England recumbent lion mark, not particularly well impressed, and quite a heavy glaze put over the top, but you can see that on the base clearly, demonstrating that they're manufactured under the Churchill branding. 6.5-inch, we've got I think 9 of these on catalogue, all in really good condition, and they're really nice blue and white side plate if you're looking to start a collection of blue and white and want something a little different from the usual blue willow where most people start collecting. So a very nice plate, stack of 6 here on demo. We have got an additional 3 in storage, and these will be joining them. So opportunity to buy 9 all at once if you wish to do so, but they will be priced and available from the website individually for the replacement market. Thanks for watching.